What's up, everybody? It's your boy Brian, and I'm back with another video. Somebody had requested that I do another smoking. So y'all, today I wanna just talking about with y'all. I hope y'all guys had a great Merry Christmas. I hope everything turned out how you wanted it to turn out. And I know that we want to picture the paper and what we really want to see and what we really want in life. I'm so grateful. And I've been trying to work hard. And I've been trying to keep up. And I just been brainstorming, trying to figure out what should I do next with this YouTube. What I'm trying to sell you guys to build. And guys, I know that you're in the room right now. You're probably laying down. You're probably just listening to my sound of voice. And I know that your eyes is closed. And I just want y'all to paint a perfect picture of a nice place where you can find peace. And y'all, just think about the wind just blowing through your ears. The wind is just blowing. It's just blowing. And you're just standing outside, y'all. You're just standing outside. And you're looking at the sky. You can see the sun burning the sand. The sky is full of beautiful colors. And the sun is super big. But it's disappearing in the mist of the sky. And you feel that wind blowing through your hair. You feel that wind blowing through your hair. The grass is so tall and it's so green. And and when the wind blows, it blows in the same motion as your heartbeat. Just breathe in. And then you can hear the ocean. so fluffy, it's so fluffy, it's so fluffy, it's so soft, it's so soft, it's so soft. And then you just wanna lay it on your face, lay it on your face, rub it on your face, and hug it, 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 hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it. Yes, let the pillow put you to sleep, 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 let the pillow put you to sleep. Oh, let the pillow put you. It's nothing like rubbing the pillow against your head. And just laying there and just clear your mind from everything in the world. You want to clear your mind and don't think about nothing. You just want to lay there with a blank mind, just a blank, and just lay there and just caress the pillow, until the pillow puts you to sleep, There's nothing you can do when you touch this pillow. It feels so good, and you just want to take a quick nap, because you're just tired of all the frustration that you deal with when you go to work, and the people that you deal with when you go to work, or the people that you deal when you're going in the world. You just want to come home and rest your head on the pillow and lay on the bed and just clear your mind. And I just want to let you know that you are strong, that you are meant, and that you are somebody in this world. I just wanted to drop this video because I was a little bit sick and I know I had to drop a video. But I promise now I'm about to bangers. I promise I'm gonna find triggers to put you to sleep, triggers to make your body tingle after this